Welcome everyone. Today on Kuro Gaming, we are about to embark on an epic journey into the heart of cutting-edge technology. Join us as we build the Kuro Turing series AI and machine learning workstation. Get ready to witness the fusion of power, precision, and aesthetics. Our journey begins with the backbone of our powerhouse, the MSI Pro Z790 Wi-Fi DDR5 motherboard. It's not just a foundation, it's a marvel of stability and innovation, ensuring rock-solid performance. Future-proofed with DDR5 memory support, this motherboard sets the stage for a gaming experience like never before. Now let's talk processing power. Meet the Core i9-13900K, true powerhouse designed for AI and machine learning. With an average CPU mark score of 59473, this CPU will have you brace yourselves for a gaming experience that pushes the boundaries of performance and responsiveness. For storage, we've got 1TB of Western Digital Black SN850 NVMe. This storage powerhouse is a speed demon, ensuring lightning fast load times and seamless data transfers. Teaming up effortlessly with a motherboard, our RAM is the secret sauce for efficiency. Thanks to our high-speed RAM modules, get ready to experience the smoothness and speed essential for a gaming adventure with no hiccups. And when it comes to keeping things cool, the Noctua NHD15 Pro Max ensures our temperatures stay frosty even during the most intense gaming sessions. This cooler is a must-have for boosting performance. As we dive into aesthetics, witness the Antic P20CE cabinet, a sleek and stylish home for our hardware. This case adds a touch of elegance to our powerhouse build. Powering our gaming fortress is a trustworthy PSU, delivering pure and steady power to our components, making sure they run at their best without a hitch. Let's dive into graphics supremacy. Teamed up with a powerhouse is the 4090 ZOTAC Trinity, flaunting boost clock speeds of up to 2500 MHz. Brace yourself for a graphics spectacle that elevates your gaming experience to new heights. The Kuro Turing series is your gateway to gaming nirvana. Unleash your creativity, dominate your opponents, and conquer every virtual domain with confidence. Smash that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay tuned for more tech adventures. Until next time, happy gaming.